Alright, let's settle this. Why is Boracay the top beach destination in the world? I'm giving you the top 7 reasons, fast. Reason 1. The sand, not just white, powder, like flour. It squeaks under your feet, it stays cool even at noon. White Beach's sand is so fine it feels unreal. And it stretches for 4 kilometers of pure walking paradise. Reason 2. The water. It's liquid glass, turquoise in the day, electric blue when the sun hits. You can wait out forever and still see your toes. Snorkel spots are minutes away. And visibility? Chef's kiss. Reason 3. Sunsets that stop time. Every evening the entire island turns into a theater. Parao sailboats glide across a golden sky. The beach claps. Yes, people clap. And for 5 minutes everybody just watches. Reason 4. Easy access, easy vibes. 2 airports, Cataclyn is closest. Quick boat, quick van, and boom, you're on the sand. Once you're here, you can walk everywhere on White Beach. Station 1. Quieter, luxury. Station 2. Action. Station 3. Laid back. Reason 5. Do everything or do nothing island. Island hopping to Puka Beach. Cliff jumping at Ariel's Point. Parasailing. Helmet diving. Scuba. Paddleboards. Kite surfing at Bulabog when the wind picks up. Or just lay down, sip a mango shake, and count the clouds. Reason 6. Food and nightlife that actually deliver. Fresh seafood. Filipino classics. Vegan bowls. Wood-fired pizza. At night the vibe flips. Fire dancers. Chill lounges. Live bands. Bars where you can dance barefoot in the sand. You choose the energy. Reason 7. The people and the comeback. Boracay closed in 2018 to heal. It came back cleaner, greener, better managed. Locals are proud hosts, smiles are real, service is sharp, and there's a push to keep the island beautiful. Bonus. It's an all-year playbook. Best weather? December to May. Dry, sunny, breezy. Kitesurf season? November to March on Bulabog. Want deals and fewer crowds? Early June or late November. Watch the forecast. Quick tips to win your trip. Book near Station 1 for quieter luxury. Book near Station 2 for action. Book near Station 3 for laid back. Sunrise on Bulabog. Sunset on White Beach. Don't miss both. Try a Parao sail at golden hour. Zero engine, maximum peace. Calamansi cupcake. Mango shake. Reef-safe sunscreen. Reusable bottle. Here's the truth, lots of beaches have great sand, clear water, or a fun town. Boracay has all 3, stacked, on a tiny island you can explore in a day and love for a lifetime. It's easy, it's friendly, it's stunning on camera, and even better in person. If you've never been, put it at the top. If you've been, you're probably already planning round 2. See you at sunset, right where the sky turns gold and the beach goes quiet. That's Boracay.